Hello, my name is Shannon Hickey. My site location is Fort Wainwright, Alaska. My dates of observations are March 23rd through 27th, 2015. The approximate local time of observations are 4 to 6 p.m. The National Weather Service data location was taken from Fairbanks. The temperature at the time of observation was 31.3 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 0.4 degrees Celsius on the left digital thermometer. The temperature on the right digital thermometer was 32.5 degrees Fahrenheit and 0.3 degrees Celsius. The sky was completely clear with no visible clouds and no precipitation. The Beaufort number was 1 and was observed by light air. Smoke drift indicated wind direction in the southeast. The maximum temperature at my station was 45.6 degrees Fahrenheit and the minimum was 25.3 degrees Fahrenheit. The National Weather Service temperature at this time was 36 degrees Fahrenheit. There was about a 4-degree difference between my observation and the National Weather Service observation. On March 24th at 4:30 p.m., the temperature at the time of observation was 30.9 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 0.6 degrees Celsius on the left digital thermometer. The temperature on the right digital thermometer was 30.2 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 1 degree Celsius. The sky was completely clear with no visible clouds and no precipitation. The Beaufort number was 0, calm with smoke that rises vertically. The maximum temperature at my station was 48 degrees Fahrenheit and the minimum was 15.9 degrees Fahrenheit. The National Weather Service temperature at this time was 39 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a 9-degree difference between my observations and the National Weather Service observations. On March 25th at 6 p.m., the temperature at the time of observation was 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 4.4 degrees Celsius on the left digital thermometer. On the right digital thermometer, it read 42 degrees Fahrenheit and 5.6 degrees Celsius. The sky was half covered with cirrus clouds and no precipitation. The Beaufort number was 1 with light air. Smoke drift indicates the wind direction was northwest. The maximum temperature at my station was 45.4 degrees Fahrenheit and the minimum was 13.1. The National Weather Service temperature at this time was 43 degrees Fahrenheit, which was a 3-degree difference between my observation and the National Weather Service observations. On March 26th at 4:28 p.m., the temperature at the time of observation was 36.3 degrees Fahrenheit and 2.4 degrees Celsius on the left digital thermometer. On the right digital thermometer, it read 37 degrees Fahrenheit and 2.8 degrees Celsius. A quarter of the sky was covered with stratocumulus clouds, and there was no precipitation. The Beaufort number was 1 with light air. Smoke drift indicates the wind direction was north. The maximum temperature at my station was 40.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and the minimum was 8.1 degrees Fahrenheit. The National Weather Service temperature at this time was 48 degrees Fahrenheit, which was about a 10-degree difference between observation sites. On March 27th at 5:15 p.m., the temperature at the time of observation was 45.1 degree Fahrenheit and 7.3 degrees Celsius on both the left and right digital thermometers. The sky was 3/4 of the way covered with stratocumulus clouds and no precipitation was present. The Beaufort number was 0. Smoke rose vertically. The maximum temperature at my station was 46.9 degrees Fahrenheit and the minimum was 26.5 degrees Fahrenheit. The National Weather Service temperature at this time was 48 degrees Fahrenheit, which was a 3-degree difference between sites. The barometric pressures observed at my station correlate with the pressures observed at the National Weather Service site. The pressure started higher on Monday with a reading of 1016 millibars and then lowering to 1001 millibars by Thursday. On Friday, it rose slightly to 1005 millibars. On Monday, March 23rd, it shows high pressures around Fairbanks area with a barometric pressure of 1019 around that area, which correlates with what the reading was of 1015. It's showing lower pressures in the south of Alaska. There are clouds that are present over the majority of Alaska with some snow showers over the Aleutian Islands. On Tuesday, March 24th, it's showing high pressures over most of Alaska. Fairbanks was reading 1015 on Tuesday, and according to this, it's 1020 around that area. On Wednesday, March 25th, it looks like low pressures are moving in, and the pressure on that day was reading 1010 millibars. On Thursday, March 26th, it looks like the low pressure was moving in, and according to my reading, it was 1001 millibars, which is the lowest reading of the week for me. To the west of Fairbanks, it was snowing. There was no precipitation here, though. On Friday, March 27th, the pressures remained low with a reading of 1005 millibars. To the south of Fairbanks, it was raining. On Friday, there was still no precipitation in our area. On Wednesday, March 25th, there were cirrus clouds in the sky that covered about half of the sky in Fairbanks. On this image, it shows the visible clouds. On the water vapor image, infrared image, and the visible image, and also the TV weather. You can see that there's some clouds there around the Fairbanks area.